We want to get a check of the broad markets now with Yahoo Finance market reporter Ines Ferre. We're seeing stocks trading higher this morning, Ines. What do you have your eye on specifically?
Well, Emily, we are looking at the S&P 500 up for an eighth straight session, and that's after that infrastructure bill in the House was passed. But take a look at what it's doing to some of the trending tickers on our Yahoo Finance page. As you can see on our Wi-Fi interactive board, the big gainers being these electric vehicle charging companies. ChargePoint up more than 9% because that infrastructure bill will help the electric vehicle space, especially the charging stations, which are going to be getting some $5 billion in the next 5 years, according to that bill. Look at fuel cell energy, that's up 13%. We've also been watching Blink charging up more than 9%. EVgo also up 13%, and Plug Power up 6%. So quite a bit of those trending tickers that we're watching on our Yahoo Finance page having to do with that infrastructure bill and the benefits that the charging companies, charging EV charging stations would be getting. Taking a look also at what's happening with oil, because we have been watching WTI is up more than 1%, Brent crude up almost 1%. Keep an eye out this week for any announcement from the Biden administration. The Energy Secretary of the U.S., Jennifer Granholm, has been hinting that the Biden administration could announce as early as this week, perhaps, that the U.S. may be tapping into its oil reserves in order to put a brake really on the gasoline prices that you've been seeing at the pump. And then finally, I also want to mention what's happening with the travel stocks, because we have been seeing these rise today. This is, of course, after the U.S. officially opened its borders to vaccinated travelers. So you're watching quite a bit of green on the screen. We're seeing Airbnb up more than 3%. Last week, Airbnb announced its results. Also, UAL, some of the other airlines and cruise liners, also all of them in the green.
And also, Ines, in terms of something to watch out for after the close today, we've got AMC, which has been, as we know, a meme stock and retail stock darling. I was just on vacation, by the way, on another note, and saw a guy with the GameStop shirt. So obviously, the folks are out there in the wild who are fans of these things. What are we looking for from AMC?
Yeah, so we are expecting AMC to show more upward trends when it comes to ticket sales for its third quarter. Of course, the comps from last year were dismal ticket sales because of the theaters that had been closed for much of the pandemic. But really, management will be a little bit pressed to justify the valuation of this company, because take a look. Year to date, the stock is up 1,900%. It's a meme stock favorite. This company has been able to sell equity as its share prices have gone up, and AMC held about $1.8 billion in cash at the end of the second quarter. But really, there is a big disconnect between where the street sees this stock and where retail traders see it. The street has right now 3 holds and 6 sells on the stock, with an average price target of $5.44. You can see shares are trading well above that, above $42 now.
Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferre, thank you so much.